Hello, I'm Rahul. Welcome to this channel. Today we will learn how to install GNU Octave and to run some simple program. So first of all, what is GNU Octave? It is an open source software from where you can run all Matlab files and all essential files, essential scientific files, scientific programs that you can run in Matlab. In many computers, it is not possible to run Matlab, or also Matlab is too much expensive. Then you can have GNU Octave for a better alternative. But it is right that Matlab is fully featured software, but also GNU Octave can compete it in many ways. So for that we will download and install GNU Octave, and we will see how GNU Octave will compete Matlab. So first step is GNU Octave installation. For that, go to this website gnu.org/software/octave. Links will be provided in the description, and click on download. Here, as there are many options, that is GNU Linux, Mac OS, BSD, Windows. As I am in Windows, I am selecting this, and from here select the exe, that is executable file, and the bit, that is 64-bit or 32-bit according to your computer architecture. So I will install this, that is 64-bit installer.exe. Already I have downloaded that. This is the installation file, and this is a very preliminary software, but there I will need to install some packages. I will need to install those packages to compete with Matlab. So next, here make sure that all these boxes are marked, that is register.m file type with Octave. It is very much essential because .m file, this extension is from Matlab extension, and Octave can run Matlab extensions very well. Now install this. Okay, so GNU Octave is now installed. Now we are running this software. It will automatically run graphical user interface. Then there is also command line interface and graphical user interface. Both these two are important. First of all, we will run graphical user interface. This is the graphical user interface of Octave. This is the command window, and you can see that all these have .m, some files, that is .m. These all are created in Matlab, but also this can be run on GNU Octave. This is editor panel, and this is command window. In editor panel, we are going to create a simple program to generate sine wave. Exactly that is on Matlab, that is a equal to 100, f equal to 50, tp equal to 1 by f, that is time period, t equal to 0, tp by 100, 4 into tp. This notation, how this notation is made, and in another video it will be discussed, and s equal to a sine 2 pi ft. Okay, and we are going to plot this. And the same program I will run on. This is the sine wave representation in figure 1 in Matlab, and the same program I am going to run in Octave, that is a equal to 100, f equal to 50, that is 50 Hz, tp equal to 1 by f, t equal to 0 to interval tp by 100 to 4 tp, and then s equal to a sine 2 pi f t, and we are going to plot this. Plot t comma s. Here t will be the x-axis and s will be the y-axis, and we will run this. Yes, now you can see files of type, it is automatically in Octave file. So it is Octave file, but the extension is .m, which this extension is from Matlab extension. Name it something that is example1 and save. Yes, so you can see that this is also sine wave, and that is exactly equal or exactly same that we have gathered from Matlab. In many ways Matlab and Octave is same, but somehow we have to install packages to make Octave more specific than Matlab. It is basic installation for Octave. If you want some more, then you have to install packages, and packages, I'm going to see those packages, browse packages, and you will be in this page. Here all these packages you have to install that what you need. If you need statistics package, then you have to install this. If you need signal package, then you have to install this. So these packages you have to load. For example, in Matlab it is already installed to plot square wave. It is already installed. This is the square wave. So there is some problem in amplitude that is not visible here, but it is the square wave. But in Octave, if you write here square, it will not give you the desired output. Now go to command window. Here you will see that the square function belongs to the signal package from Octave Force, which you have to install, but which I have to install. So I have to write a command that is pkg load and signal. From see this, that is run pkg load install pkg load signal, enter, and now go to editor and click on run. Yes, you can see that after installing the package I can run now square wave in GNU Octave also. So GNU Octave and Matlab both are you can use both these softwares. Obviously Matlab is fully featured software, but Octave can also compete Matlab. If your computer's configuration is low and it is hard to run Matlab because Matlab can slow your PC, then you can use alternatively Octave. In next videos there will be some discussion on signal and some problems on Matlab, and those problems and signals will be also discussed on Octave. There is another software that is Keylab, and in another all next videos all these alternatives will be discussed. So thank you for watching this video. And one thing, that is command line interface, it is also important. Here you can also create everything that you can create in the graphical user interface. That is simple a equal to 100, then f equal to 50, then tp equal to 1 by f, then t equal to 0 to tp by 100, then 4 into tp, then s equal to a sine 2 pi f t, and then plot t comma s and see the figure. So the command line interface is same as that is here in command window. So this is exactly same, that is command line interface. So both are important, and you can use Octave in many different ways. as like Matlab. And in next video, the most important thing, that is the loop. That is how we can run loop in Matlab and in Octave. This will be discussed with some examples, that how we can run loop in Matlab and Octave. So thank you for watching this video, and next video there will be discussion on loop, that is for do, while these loops, and how we can program using these loops in Matlab and in and as well as in GNU Octave. So thank you so much.